from Ski Bartlett. I've just been out on the Blizzard Firebird Ti. Absolutely brilliant, ripping piste ski. It's definitely the kind of ski that if you push into the front of the ski, you're going to get massively rewarded with huge edge grip, stability at speed. Like, you will love this if you go fast. If you back off a little bit, it's maybe kind of a bit hard work, so I would definitely say you need to be the kind of skier that wants to push your skis, and when you do, you're going to absolutely love this ski. Short turns, long turns, it will do anything you want on piste. It's very, very good performance.